Exclusive tech, digging out exclusive content. Yes, sir.
Hi. So what's happening here is basically me using my ring light stand as a tripod, of course at a fixed state. I can't like swing the camera around, no, but I can just like, if I want to change the position, I have to like drag the whole thing and like place it evenly. So for now, because I'm gonna be shooting my main week video, yeah, so I'll be using the ring light stand as my tripod for now. And what I did here, I took the ring light and mounted it to my vlogging kit and the kit, so yeah, so that it can give me like a clear light, so that it can like balance my lighting room, so that it can give me that solid color fixture or ambience. Yeah. So I hope this makes sense. And guys, it's all about improvising. As you can see, even my mirror my mirror like is mounted on the wall, so it's about improvising, guys, using what you can to come out with the best that you can. So yeah, as you can see, my EOS 200D mounted so nice and steady on my ring light stand. It's about to go up. No, we can't be going down. We're tired of being down here. We're going up. We're leveling things up now. Yeah, shout out